In this video, I would like to show you about overwatered and underwatered signs on succulents, and how to fix it. These signs are in order, and some might still not present in your succulents. Sign number 1. Leaves turning yellow. Sign number 2. Mushy and squishy leaves. Sign number 3. Bloated and punctured leaves. Sign number 4. Falling leaves. Succulents leaves have small water storage cells which are filled with water. When overwatered, the water storage in its leaves will bloat, causing the yellowish color. It sometimes explodes and gets punctured, and the damaged leaves will fall off. Those are the early signs of overwatering. When it has advanced, the stem and root system will rot, including the plant's core. By this stage, the plant is not salvageable. Overwatering is a plant killer. It is the #1 cause of death of succulents according to research. Remove all the damaged parts. It may be leaves, stems or roots. Cut it away with a clean and sharp knife, leaving no trace of rot. Replace soil and pot. Place it in bright indoor. Don't water until it recovers. Don't water until the leaves begin to thin or form mild wrinkles. By then, water it full. Water it full means water should drip down the pot when watering, and with longer intervals. Some have watering intervals of 5 days or more, depending on your location's temperature. Check the leaves before watering, then record it. Then you can make a good watering interval out of your record. Sign number 1. Thin leaves. Sign number 2. Wrinkled leaves. Sign number 3. No mushy, nor falling leaves. Succulent leaves have small water storage as explained earlier. When succulents don't have enough water supply from its roots system, it will use its water reserve from its leaves, causing the leaves to thin out. In worse cases, leaves stored water will be depleted, making the leaves look very thin and wrinkled. Water the succulent daily until the wrinkles go away. Be cautious when watering, as there's a big tendency to overwater, and overwatering kills your succulents. Another solution is to use water therapy method. The link for water therapy is found at the end of this video. How to avoid underwatering. You don't really want to avoid it. You just want to control that leaves doesn't get too wrinkled. When leaves start to get thin, or form mild wrinkles, then you know it's time to water. What do you think is the biggest sign difference between overwatered and underwatered? Let us know what you think, and comment below.
Yeah.